Zimbabwe's political landscape is increasingly fraught as Stephen Sakosi Chuma, a prominent youth leader, has issued a fervent call to action against President Mnangagwa's government, which he describes as a full-blown dictatorship. Sanabina Mashuka Mdato Gomrama na Sakosi Chuma achita aiwa, I want to cause chaos and to cause an uprising against Mtugamiri Winyika Vemasodam Mnangagwa. Nudubo subscribe olego turn on the bell icon. Tichipenda pa exendo pake tunakuti Sakosi Chuma Mashuka Nubuda Mzimba Anyugwachenzi Chuma's statement is clear and uncompromising. A full-blown dictatorship can never be removed by compartmentalized groups active on social media. He criticizes the fragmented approach of various activist groups who, according to him, failed to effect real change. Instead, Chuma advocates for a more unified and proactive strategy. What needs to be done? Mobilize, organize, recruit, educate and fight back. Chuma insists. His call to action emphasizes the necessity of a cohesive and systematic effort to challenge Mnangagwa's regime. This approach, he believes, will address the systematic issues rather than merely addressing symptoms through fragmented social media campaigns. Domash Panotogwana Sakosi Chuma, achibete tinonga po social media, tikiratidza aiwa ma-end results aiwa at the regime Mtungamiri Wenyika. Ani achiti panapa toda ku-organize an uprising ya elaborate steps achiti I want to mobilize, organize, recruit, educate and fight back. Aradza kuti aiwa is determined kuda kukonzeresa an uprising achiti aiwa social media apana kana a real change zvinobringa. Anoda kuti most of the people ndozvavari kungoita but zviri kungofailure. Mutudza mafunguro enyu moti kudipa musoro mashoko ake pinda comment section medu. Musano subscribe or like and turn on the bell.